How many times have you been out shopping for shirts and found the perfect shirt color, pattern, or body fit, and then discovered that the collars were much too big? Well, welcome to the introduction on split collars. Imagine having all your shirt collars fit you perfect. And this tutorial will be giving you a lot of facts about how it's done, and you'll see visually what we do. For the first time, men and women are finding out that they can have their shirt collar split to fit. When the process is complete, all you see is a seam on the back of the collar, as in this photo. It's an art that most shirt makers choose not to practice. They would rather sell you a new custom shirt. We specialize in collar replacement and split collars, which about 99% of the population has never heard of. The process is very simple. If you do hundreds a week, and that's what we do, hundreds on mostly new shirts, but we do quite a lot on shirts that owners who have lost weight and sent in to have collar split. I'm sure you may have been one of those individuals who have had their shirt collars replaced with white collars. That's great, and the trend has been around for several years. But there are men who can't or don't feel comfortable with white collars, and these individuals have taken advantage of our service. For example, we can make a 19-inch collar into a 17-inch collar, and someone looking at you would never know that the only telltale would be the seam in the back of the collar. Now here we have a shirt that we have split the collar and put it back together, and what we'll do at this point is we'll readjust the neckline and balance it so that we can reattach the new size collar onto the shirt. It's a simple, but yet it takes an art to do it properly so that the collar is always balanced. Now that you have a choice when you're going shopping and the body of the shirt fits you perfect but the collars are too big, you have a choice now. You can either have them replaced with white collars, or you can have them split collar if you like the pattern or color on that particular shirt. So try to get the closest you can to the neck size, but we can, up to 2 inches, pretty well make the collar smaller and keeping the balance of the collar intact. So there's a choice. And now that you know about split collars and collar replacement, you're able to get on the web and look for some of the best buys around. And not only locally, you have the power to buy at the best price because you can wait. Even though you know the collars will be big or the shirts will be big, you know you can recut the shirts with our service also. But the collars you can have split collared, and that gives you power, gives you time. You're capable of waiting and buying at the best rock bottom prices and knowing that you can make the collars and bodies fit. And so what we'll do, we'll be glad to get your shirts and recut them, and at any time you can call our toll-free number and we'll be glad to talk to you. We hope that we've provided you with some useful information and given you a bit of knowledge to make some good decisions as far as your shirts. Most shirts on average will last between 8 and 10 years barring tearing or staining. Collars normally down the line between 2 and 3 years will be soiled, stained, or torn by that time. And most men would just throw the shirts away when the bodies still have another 4 or 5 years left. So that's something to consider. We hope you've enjoyed the tutorial, and following we'll have you some information as to where to contact us for additional information.